हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सभी। तो चलो आज हम करेंगे रीजनिंग। आपने प्रीवियस वीडियो देखी हुई होगी हमारी रीजनिंग की, जहाँ पे हमने किया कोडिंग और डिकोडिंग किया। तो अभी पहली बात तो मुझे ये बताने दो, आपने ऐप डाउनलोड किया है क्या? अगर नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर लीजिए हमारा यूनिफॉर्म एस्पिरेंट्स का ऐप। ये देखो, ये सिंबल है, आप प्ले स्टोर पे जाके यूनिफॉर्म एस्पिरेंट्स सर्च कर सकते हो, वहाँ पे आप वो डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। उसमें आपको मिलेगा लाइव लेक्चर्स मिलेंगे, फिर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स मिलेंगे, मॉक टेस्ट मिलेगी और ये सब पीपीटी मिलेगा और इजी ट्रिक्स भी मिलेंगे। ओके चलो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। डायरेक्शंस वेरी इजी टॉपिक है, हमें बेसिक डायरेक्शंस तो पता है लेकिन आज भी हम जान लेंगे। ओके चलो, तो अभी डायरेक्शंस हमें पता है। ऊपर की डायरेक्शन जो होती है वो नॉर्थ होती है, नीचे की साउथ होती है, राइट साइड हमारी जो राइट साइड है उसकी ईस्ट होती है और लेफ्ट साइड की हमारी वेस्ट होती है। अभी हम डिटेल में जान लेंगे। ओके नाउ सी, दिस इज नॉर्थ। ओके लेट मी टेक अ पेन नाउ। Okay, so this is north. We know that east, west and south. East, west and south. मतलब नॉर्थ के ऑपोजिट साउथ होता है, ईस्ट के ऑपोजिट वेस्ट होता है, वेस्ट के ऑपोजिट ईस्ट और साउथ के ऑपोजिट नॉर्थ होता है। अभी यहाँ पे नॉर्थ के राइट साइड में नॉर्थ ईस्ट होता है, नॉर्थ के लेफ्ट साइड में नॉर्थ वेस्ट होता है, साउथ के राइट साइड में नॉर्थ ईस्ट होता है, लेफ्ट साइड में नॉर्थ वेस्ट होता है। नाउ आई टेल यू वन ट्रिक। देखो, हमें एग्जाम में जाने के बाद हमें एक पेपर दिया जाता है। वी गेट वन पेपर, right? We get one paper. So after getting that paper, what we have to do is write this trick down. What we have to do is write the trick down. First, to not get confused in the directions, first we have to draw like this and write the directions like north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. You can write this also. Northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest and southwest. Okay चलो, now let me tell you. हाँ ये तो समझ आया। अभी ये देखो क्या होता है, कभी कभी हम ऐसे बोलते हैं कि फेसिंग टूवर्ड्स साउथ, ही इज गोइंग टू दिस साइड, ही इज गोइंग टू दैट साइड। नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी दिस नाउ, if we are going towards north, our face is towards north, this is face, our face is towards north, then our right side, then our east side will be right, then our east side will be right, and our west side will be left, then our west side will be left. Okay, now for example, if we are going south side, our face is here, our face is here, our face is here, so our right side, our face, my face here. Okay, my face will be here to with this outside, so my left side will be this, my left side will be this, this will be my left side ulta, and this will be my right side, this will be my right side, like that. If I am going eastwards and my face is facing towards eastward, then my left side will be upward and right side will be downward, left side will be upward and right side will be downward, like that. If I am going towards west, then if I am facing towards west, then my left side will be downwards and right side will be upwards. Okay, my right side will be upwards. Okay, by using only the simple logic and simple tricks, we will go on the questions. Very easy questions, you can get out of marks in these questions, okay, without doing any mistake. Chalo, now we'll go. Now see, what is the question? You have to read, you have to take like 30 seconds for reading one question. Be calm, read it, understand it, then apply your logic. Okay, just whatever is written we have to apply it. A person starts from Z point. A person starts from Z point. I'll consider this point as Z. A person starts from Z point and moves 7 km towards the south, and moves 7 km towards the south, 7 km towards the south. He turns right. Now I told you, now only I told you, whenever you are turning towards the south, this is your right side and this is your left side. He turns towards his right, so he will turn here, and moves 5 km. He will move 5 km, he will move 5 km, then turns right. Whenever you're facing towards this side, then your right side will be this, your right side will be this side. Means if he is going 5 km here, 5 km here, this 5 km here, then he is turning towards his left. This is your left, but this is your right, so he turns right and moves 3 km. He is moving 3 km, he is moving 3 km. then turns right and moves 1 kilometer. Then he turns right. Now this is left and this is right, so he turns right and moves 1 kilometer. Okay, he takes a left turn. Now he is facing towards this side, so this is left and this is right, so he takes left turn and moves 4 kilometer. He will move 4 kilometer. He will move 4 kilometer to reach a point X. This is your point X. This is your point X. How much and in which direction does he need to move now to reach point Z? Matlab, to reach this point again, to his initial point, how much time, how much distance he need to cover, we have to find that. Okay, we have to find that. Now see, here he is going 7 kilometer. 7 kilometer. Here he traveled 5 kilometer. Here he traveled 5 kilometer. Then here he traveled 3 kilometer. Means from 7 kilometer he has already traveled 3 kilometer. Okay, from 7 he has already traveled 3 kilometer. Then in right side he traveled 1 kilometer. In right side he traveled 1 kilometer. From 5 kilometer he has already traveled 1 kilometer. Then he will go upwards and travel 4 kilometer. Means he has already traveled 4 kilometer. He has already traveled 4 kilometers. Now see here, 3 plus 4. 3 kilometer and 4 kilometer means what? 7 kilometer. Means he has reached already this same line. He has already reached here. He has already reached here. They are on the same line. Then what they are saying, here also he has traveled 1 kilometer towards his right. So here 5 minus 1. 4 kilometer is remaining to travel. 4 kilometer means this distance is 4 kilometer, but he is facing towards this side, right? So this is right, this is left, this is east, this is west. So he needs to go 4 kilometer east or 4 kilometer right. So 4 kilometer east. D is your answer. Very easy. Chalo, we'll go on next. Very easy sums. Just you need to apply whatever you are reading, just you need to apply it. Now see this question also. Saurabh drives 3 kilometer towards north. Saurabh drives 3 kilometer. For example, wait just a minute. Let me keep here, means I can solve here. Okay. Saurabh drives 3 kilometer towards north. 3 kilometer towards north. For example, this is his starting point. Okay. From point A, this is point A. He takes left turn. He takes left turn. So this is right, this is left. So he will take left turn and drives 4 kilometer. Immediately right here, 4 kilometer. Again, he takes a left turn. Now he is facing here towards this side. This is left, this is right. So he will go here. And what he will do, drive 6 kilometer. So he will drive 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer. This is 3 kilometer. Means this will be 6 kilometer. Bigger, na? Finally, he takes a left turn. Now he is looking here. This will be left turn. You have to imagine yourself facing towards that. Left turn. So he will travel left turn and takes a left turn and drives 4 kilometer. Same this much distance he will travel. Means he will come in same line. And 4 kilometer he is traveling. To reach point B. To reach point, this is B. Okay, this was A. This will be B. How far and towards which direction should he drive in order to reach point A? Now point B is here, point A is here. Initially he started from here. He went like this and came to point B. He came to point B. Now to go towards point A, where he need to travel? In the north direction. In the north direction or in the upward direction. And how much kilometer? This was 6 kilometer and this is 3 kilometer. So 6 minus 3 is 3 kilometer he needs to travel. So 3 kilometer towards north. Yes, option is there. Very easy. Chalo, next question we'll do. See now. See here. Town Q is to the north of town P. Means town Q. Town, here for example it is Q. So town Q is north of town. Town Q is to the north of town P. Means town Q is to the north. Town R is to the west of town Q. This is east side, this is west side. So town R is here. Town S is to the north of town R. Town S is north to town R. Only read small sentences, means you can apply it and you can understand it. Okay. Now see. Town T is to the east of town S. Town T is to the east of town S. Town T is to the east of town S. For example, I am doing here T. Okay. Then what is the position of town T with respect to town R? So what is the position? See here, what is the position? We have learned this. Just a minute. We have learned this. See here, we have learned this, that this is the direction. Okay. This is north, this is south. So here is town, here is R, and here is town T. So what is this direction? Northeast. What is this direction? Northeast. So what is option? Northeast. Very easy. Chalo, next one. Now see here. See here, what is the question? Just read small sentences and try to apply it. You will get the answer. Manoj starts from point A. Chalo, start from point A. Manoj, do your point A. Manoj is starting from point A and drives X kilometer towards south. Drives towards X kilometer. Drives X kilometer. Okay, south. And then turns left and drives Y kilometer. Turns. Now see, this is left, this is right. So he will travel this side and Y kilometer. Y kilometer. Okay, he then takes a right turn. Now he is facing towards this side. This will be left and this will be right. You imagine yourself doing it. You imagine you are going, you are Manoj. Okay, so what he'll do? He then takes a right turn. He took a, see, Y kilometer. He then takes a right turn. Now if you're facing this side, this is left, this is right, so he will go this side. So he will take a right turn and drives for 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer he is going to reach point D. This was A. This is D. Okay, if Manoj drove a total of 17 kilometer, he drove total of 17 kilometer. This is total of 17 kilometer. Between point A and D. What is between point A and D? 17 kilometer. And both X and Y are perfect squares. Both X and Y are perfect squares. Between A and D. If Manoj drove a total distance of 17 kilometer between point A and D and both X and Y are perfect squares, X is greater than Y, then what is the value of X? 1 minute. Just a minute, we'll apply it again. Manoj starts from point A. Manoj is starting from point A and drove and drives X kilometer towards south and drives X kilometer towards south and then turns left. Now he is driving towards south. This is left and this is right. So he will turn towards this side and this is Y kilometer. This is Y kilometer. Whenever he is traveling this side, he then takes this is left turn and this is right turn and drives 4 kilometer Now this is left turn and this is right turn. So he will come here and drive 4 kilometer to reach point D. So if Manoj drove 17 kilometer between A and D, between A and D, he drove 17 kilometer. 17 kilometer between A and D, and both X and Y are perfect squares. X is greater than Y. What is the value of X? Okay. Now see here, X square plus Y square plus 4 is equal to 17. Okay, is equal to 17. We know that X square plus Y square plus 4 is equal to 17. Okay, now see here, X square plus Y square is equal to 17 minus 4. So X square plus Y square is equal to what? Is equal to 13. So we have to find such a value that square of this number, sum of the squares of this number will be 13. So now see here, you know that X is greater than Y. So if I take combinations, for example, if I say square of 1 is 1 only, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, and square of 4 is sorry, I'm writing here 2. Square it is, okay. This is square, okay. Square of 4 is 16. So you can't take 16 because 16 is only one number. So you 1 and 5, addition of 1 and 5, 4 and 1 is 5. So you can't take this. 1 and 9, 10. You can't take this. But addition of 9 and 4 is 13. So you can take this. So we got what we should take. Sorry. So what are the only perfect square which gives sum as 13? Which gives sum as 13? There are. It is square of 3 and square of 2. But they are saying x is a greater number, so x will be always 3. So what is it? Is 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, but x is always 3. X is 3 and this is 2. So check here now, what is the value of x? What is the value of x? And x is a perfect square. So what is the perfect square? 9. So what will be the value of x? 9. This was a bit different question. If you have any doubt, solve it again, watch it again, means you'll understand, okay? Now see this question. Shilpa goes to a park every day for walking. One day she started walking from her home and walked 40 kilometers towards the north. For example, Shilpa's house is this. She has a house here. She started walking towards the north, walked 40 kilometers. Then she turned to the right. And walked 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers she walks. Again she turned to the right. Now this is left and this is right now. So this is right. So again she turned to the right and walked 40 kilometers. In the same line she has came now. 40 kilometers she is walking downward. Lastly, she took a left turn. Now see, this here she is facing. This is left turn, this is right turn. So what will be left turn here? This will be left turn. Left and walk 30 kilometers. Walk 30 kilometers. How far is she from her home? See now, this is 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers plus this is 30 kilometers. How far is she? 90 kilometers. Check the options. 90 kilometers. So option D is the correct answer. Very easy. Solve with sum in your book, means you will understand, and by applying this and by solving only you will get these sums, okay? Now see, a boy walks 15 meter north. 15 meter north. A boy was standing here, he walks 15 meter north. 15 meter north. Turns right and walks 20 meter. Again he turns right. Now this is left and this is right. So he again turns right and walks 15 kilometers. In the same line he has came now. Finally he takes he turns to the left. Now this is left and this is right. So he will turn here left and moves 20 meters. So he moves 20 meters. What is the distance now from his original position? This was his original position. He has covered this much, means this is 20 plus 20. How much? 40 meter. Answer will be 40 meter. Very easy. Now chalo. Now see, Pratik is standing in a park facing north. Pratik is standing in a park facing north. Pratik is standing in a park facing north. He turns 90 degree towards left. Now see here. North, south, east, west. These are right angles. Okay, these are right angles, means these are 90 degree. North. He turns 90 degree towards left. Now this is left side, this is right side. He facing towards north. This is left side, this is right side. Okay, he turns 90 degree towards left, means he before he was his first position was this. Now he turns 90 degree towards left. 90 degree means now he is facing towards, first he was facing towards north, now he is facing towards west. Okay, west, and walks 40 kilometers. Now he is walking 40 kilometers. facing towards west only. He again takes 90 degree turn towards right. Now this is left and this is right. So he again takes 90 degree turn towards left, means again he is going in the north direction, and towards right, and walks 50 kilometer. Now where how much he is walking? 50 kilometer. 50 kilometer. Before he walked 40, then 50. Okay, then 50. He takes the next 90 degree turn towards right. Now this is left and this is right, means again he is turning towards right, means he will be turning towards east. East he is turning, and then east he is turning, and then right, and walk 60 kilometer. He will walk 60 kilometer. Lastly, he takes a 90 degree turn towards his right. Again he is turning towards south and walks 50 kilometer. Walks 50 means in the same line he has came now. 50 kilometer, but here it was 40. Okay, how much distance is he from his starting point? Now 60 minus 40 is how much? 20 na? So what will be the answer? 20 kilometer. Yes, we got the answer. Chalo, next we'll go on the next. B is west of E. Now see, B, this is B. B is west of E. Where is E? This is west side, so E will be here. B is west of E. A is northwest of B. A, now see here. A is northwest of B, means this is north side and this is east side, this is west side, means here it is A. Here it is A. F is northeast of B. Northeast. Here it is F. D is southeast of F. D is southeast of F. D is southeast of F. Such that F is northwest of E. F is northwest of E. F is northwest of E, means here E will be here if it is northwest. Okay, and D is southeast and D is such that. Okay, I understood. Wait, here we will write E and here it is D. Okay, southeast of E as well. If C is southwest of E, C is southwest of E. Southwest means east and west. Southwest of C. What is the position of A with respect to E? What is the position of A with respect to E? All positions are arranged in a grid pattern. All positions are arranged in a grid pattern. Now see, these both are in one line. This both are in one line. This is also northeast. This is also northeast. So what is the answer? Answer is northeast. Very easy. Because they have asked position of A with respect to E. Okay, means F and E both are in northeast. Chalo, next. Ritu is going northward. Ritu is going northward. Ritu is going northward. Okay, she turns right. She is turning right. Moves some distance and again turns to her right. Now this is left, this is right. So again right. After moving some distance, she turns left. So now see, this is left and this is right. So she will turn left. Okay, in which direction now she is facing? Now she is facing. Now see, now which direction she is facing? East direction. East direction, because this is this direction. We know that. Chalo, next. A person is standing. What you have to do is you have to read small sentences, part of the sentences, and just apply your logic. You will get the option easily here. Okay, now see here. A person standing facing west. You know which is the west side. This is the west side. A person is standing facing towards west. This is the west side facing towards west. Turn 90 degree anti-clockwise. Now see here. You know, west to east is clockwise. West to east is clockwise. So east to west will be anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So what the question is saying, a person is standing facing west. He is standing facing west. Means, for example, west to east. For example, What is clockwise? Clockwise is, for example, turning right. Turning right. Right means clockwise. Okay, right means clockwise. So what is anti-clockwise? West to east means turning left. Turning left. Now he turns 90 degree in anti-clockwise. He will turn, this is right, this is left. He will turn towards south, means he will turn towards south. This was west. Okay, this was west. He will turn towards the south direction, and then 135 degree in 135 degree in clockwise direction in 135 degree. Now see, what is 135 degree? 90 plus 90 is what? 180. But we want this much, what? No, 90 plus 30 is what? 120. We know that 90 plus 30 is 120, plus 135 and plus 55 degree and plus 5 degree. Okay, and plus 5 degree, but in which direction? Clockwise direction, means we have to go right, means we have to go now right. Now for example, see here, this is south. He is facing towards here. Okay, now he will go 90 degree. First 90 degree he will face towards which direction? He will face towards east direction. Again he will go 30 degree, half degree, and he will face towards which direction? North east direction. North east direction. Again he will go 5 degree, and then also he is only northeast, only northeast. So what is the answer? This is east, this is west. So what if a person is standing facing west, he turns 90 in anti-clockwise direction, and then 135 degree in clockwise direction. Which direction he is facing now? So which direction he is facing now? 30, this is 90, so he will face east. Then he will go 30 degree, he will face he will face 30 degree, means this much only. 30 degree he is in, means northeast direction only. Then he will go 35 degree. This full 45 degree is northeast direction. Okay, northeast direction. 45 degree is northeast direction. So now he will go 5 degree and he will face this direction, means here he was facing, now here he is facing, means this is north, this is east, and here he is facing here. So what will be this compared to this point? It will be compared to this point. What it will be? It will be northeast only. So what is option? North. It can okay, chalo, next. See now, point M is 5 meter to the west of D. Very easy. Point M is 5 meter to the west of point D. Point F is 3 meter to the south of point D. 3 meter. Okay. Then, and point J is 4 meter to the east. Point J is 4 meter to the east. Now this is of P, means F is facing here, so this is left and this is right. But okay, so what they are saying, east, to the east of point F, 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 4 meter. Okay. How far and in which direction is point J with respect to point F? With respect to point F. Point D and point J is point J. Okay, this is J. No, this is J. Okay, this is F. This is F and this is J. Now see what they have asked us. How far and in which direction is point J? How far in which direction is point J respect to point D? Respect to point D. So this is 3 and this is 4. 3 plus 4 is how much? 3 plus 4 is how much? 7 meter. In which direction? North. In which direction? It will be what they have asked, J with respect to point D. So J will be in, array, sorry, this is this will be here, okay, this will be here, right? This will be a 4 meter, right? 4 meter, this will be F and this will be J. They have told is direction, sorry, is direction. I took it to the west. I took it to the west. It is direction, my mistake, sorry. See here, they have told. So now see, 3 plus 4, D needs to travel 3 plus 4, it is far away. So 7 meter, 7 meter, D is to the northeast, sorry, this is east side, this is east side, this is west side, and north means here. So northwest. So D is, yes, B option is correct. B option is correct. Chalo, now next. Point M is 5 meter to the west of D. Point M. You can do this question for homework also. Same like before. Same like before. This question is same like before. Okay. This question is same like before. Okay. See here, you can do this question for homework. Now see what they have asked. Point M is 5 meter to the west of point D. Point F is same question. Okay, now we'll do this. Okay, one day during sunrise, Sudhir walks 6 kilometer, 6 meter. Okay, 1 minute. See, one day during sunrise, Sudhir walks 6 meter in the direction of the shadow. In the direction of the shadow. Now, array. I have not mentioned. I have not told you about shadow. Okay, we'll do this question later on. I need to explain you about the shadow, right? I need to explain you about the shadow. Okay, well, first we'll see this kind of questions, then I'll explain you about the shadow. Okay, now see, now Anmika, who is facing south, walks 20 kilometers, then she turns to her right, then she turns to her right, then she turns to her right. Now see, this Anmika is facing towards her south, she walks 20 kilometer meter, then she turns to her right and walks 15 meter. This is her right, 15 meter. Then she turns to her right, this is left and this is right, so she will turn here and walk 16 meter. Again she turns to the right is this side, she will walk 15 meter. How far she is from her starting point? This was the starting point. Now see here, she has already traveled 16, means 20 minus 16, 4 meter. 15 minus 12, 3 meter. So how much she needs to travel? 4 plus 3, 7 meter. 7, 4 meter here she has to travel, and she needs to travel here 3 meter. How far is she from her starting point? Is she from her starting point? Anmika is facing towards the south and walks 20 meter right, we have done. Then she turns to her right, this is left and this is right, correct, and walks 15 meter, correct. Then she turns towards the right, correct, and walks 16 meter right. She turns to her right and walks 12 meter right. How far is she from her starting point? So what is her starting point? This is her starting points. So she needs to walk 4 meter like this and 3 meter like this. For 4 plus 3 is 12. No, answer is 12. Okay. Chalo. See now, a boy leaves his home. He walks 45 meters southwest. Now see here, boy's home is here. He walks southwest. Southeast is here. Southwest. Home is here. Southwest 45 meter direction, and then 145 meter in 145 meter 145 meter northeast, and 145 meter in south direction, and 145 meter in northeast. Now 45 he is traveling here, again he is going in the same direction, and again here he is traveling 100 meter, okay, northeast. Then he moves 60 meter towards the south, then he comes 60 meter towards the south, 60. How far is he from his initial point? Now see here, this is his initial point, we will join this, so we have to find this initial point, this is his initial point, this is 60 kilometer, okay, and this is 45 and this upper is 100, means here we know that we can give this as a triangle A, B and C. We can write this as triangle, right? We can write this as a triangle. So you know Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle A, B, C. What is the formula? Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Yes, you know that. So you can find this distance, you can find that find his house and this distance where he's standing now. So we'll find it, okay? Just let me clean this, huh? Okay, so what will be this? What we said that like this it was, okay? This was 100 and this was 60 is equal to x square, right? Right. So now let us find, okay? So 100 square is equal to 60 square minus x square, sorry, plus x square, so you know that x square is equal to 100 square. 100 square is 1, okay, 10,000, and 60 square is 33,000, 3,006, 3,600, okay? So 0, 0, 10 minus 1, 9, here 4, and here 9 minus 3, 6. So 6, 4, x square will be 6, 4, 00. Now 00, for this 00 you have to write 10, okay? Square now, so 2 times means 1 time you have to take, because we are removing x now, and 64 is square of 8. 64 is a square of 8. You should know 1 to 20 squares at least 1 to 20 more. You, if you know, then no problem, excellent. Okay, so what will be the answer? 80 meter. What will be the answer? 80 meter. Chalo, we'll go on next. What will be the answer? 80 meter, okay. Ramesh walks this, and how far is he from the direction of his starting? Same question. You have to do this for homework, okay? Just a minute, let me go up. If there is a different question, then I'll see it. Starting from a point P, Rohan walked 20 meters towards south. He turns left. Okay, we'll do this question, okay? We'll do this question. Starting from point P, Rohan walked 20 kilometers towards south. 20 meters towards south. He turns left and left and walk 30 kilometers. 30 meter. He then turns left and walk 20 meters. Again to the starting range he came. He again turned left and walked 40 meter. 40 meter. This was 30, right? This was 30. And reach point Q, means P is here, okay? P is here in this, and here it is Q. This is 10 meter distance. How far is he? How far and in which direction is the point Q from point? Means where is point Q with respect to P? So it is in west direction, west, and it is 10 meter. Yes, 40 minus 30, 10 meter. So answer is C. Very easy. Chalo, now we'll do next. Mohan left for his office in his car. He drove 15 kilometers towards north and then 10 kilometers towards west. He then turned to the south and covered same question. You have to do this for homework, okay? Just a minute. Do this for homework. Very easy question. Same or same kind of questions are there, okay? See now this. Rima walked 10 kilometers south and turned right and walked 5 kilometers. Okay, see this now. Rima is starting from here. She walked 10 kilometers south, then turned now see this will be left and this will be right, so she will turn right and walk 5 kilometers. Then again she turned to the right. This is left and this is right, so she turned right and walked 10 kilometers. Again she came to the same point. Then she turned left. Again she is turning left and walking 10 kilometers. Okay, how many kilometers will Rima have to walk to reach starting point? This is the starting point. This 10 kilometers and this 5 kilometers. So 15 kilometers. So easy. Chalo. Now we'll go on next. Very easy sums. Now see Chaddaji Chaddaji walked out of her house and walked 65 meters towards the east. Now say for example, this is the house. This is the house, east. She is walking east. How much? 65 meter towards the east. He took a left turn and walked 28 meter. This is a left turn, 28 meter. You have to see wherever you are pacing, from respect to that pacing, you have to decide which is left and which is right. But east and west, north and south is not going to change its direction, okay? 28 meter. Again, he took a left turn. Again, he is taking a left turn and walking 110 meters to reach a public library. This is a library. How far shortest? How far? He took a left turn. Okay, public library. How far shortest distance and in which direction is the library from Chaddaji's house? Now see here. This is library. This. Okay, 1 minute. This is library. Okay, this will be the shortest distance. This will be the shortest distance. Now here you have already covered 65 kilometer, means 110 minus 65. So what it will be? What it will be? 4, right? It will be 4. This will be 10. So it will, just a minute. See here. 110 minus 65. Okay. So it will be 10, 5, 10 minus 5, 5, 10 minus 6, 4, 45. So this distance is 28 meter and this distance is 45 meter. 20 means, see, it is like this. So you have to find this. You have to find that distance. So what is square of 45 now? 45. What is square of 45 now? Square of 45. Check what is square of 45. 5, 2, then 8 plus 2, 10, and here 2, right? 2025. 2025 plus square of 28. Now square of 28. What is square of 28? 16 plus 6, 22. 16, 2 to the 4, 5, 4, 8 and 7, 7, 8 and 4, 9, 9, year 10, year 8 and year 2. Now see what is the last digit here. Now see, this is also Pythagoras theorem. I'll name this as A, B and C. So what will be the answer? AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So AB square is equal to, but in which direction he has to go? Chaddaji's library is in which direction? Northeast direction. So two options are there. Northeast direction. Two options are there. See, options are there. You have to do it smartly. Options are there. Now see, you know what is the square of these two numbers? Square of 45 and 28. 2809. Okay, but you know that 48, if you do 48, 8 8 is 64. So 6 carry 4, right? Now last digit is coming 4. So it can't be there. But in case of 53, 3 3s are 9. Yes, 9 is there. So your option will be northeast and 53 meters. So easy. Understood? Yes. Chalo, next we'll go. Now see. What is this question? So Sona goes to a park every day for walking. One morning she started walking from her home and walked 40 kilometers towards north. Then she turned right. Same question. Wait, just a minute. Okay. This you do for homework. Now see, we'll see this question. Pooja drives 4 kilometers towards east. 4 kilometers towards east. 4 kilometers towards east. She takes a right turn. And drives 2 kilometers. Then she takes a left turn. Now see this left and right, so this will be left turn, and she drives 3 kilometer. Again she takes a left turn and drives 2 kilometer. Again she is covering same distance, 2 kilometer to reach point B. Okay, she is reaching point B, same this point B. How far and towards which direction she would should she drive now in order to reach point A? So this is A point. This is point A. So she need to travel first 3 kilometer, then 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 kilometer towards west. Yes, first option is correct. First option is correct. So chalo, now next. Okay, we'll do this anti-clock wala sum. See now, read question nicely first. Rita is standing facing towards southeast. Okay, this is Rita. She is facing towards which direction? Southeast. Facing towards this direction. She turns 135 degree. What is 135 degree first? Listen this. 90 degree plus 30 degree is 120 degree. Then 120 degree, and then she turns 15 degree. 15 degree. So she turns 135 degree clockwise. Clockwise means in right direction. Remember, clockwise means in right. And anti-clockwise means what? Left. Anti-clockwise means what? In left direction. So she will turn her right direction 135 degree. Now here she is in southeast. Here it is south. This direction. This direction will be 45 degree. Okay, she turns 45 degree. She is in southeast now. Yes, so she will turn 45 degree. Then again 45. See, 45 degree she has already turned. Then again she will turn 45 degree. She will come towards southwest. Means full 90 degree finished. 90 degree finished. 45 degree. Then she will turn 30 degree. 30 degree will be 30 degree. Here it is west direction. 30 degrees here. So 30 degree, and then she will remaining 50 degree. She will go here. Means she will face in west direction. Okay. Then clockwise. Okay, after that she turns 90 degree anti-clockwise. Now she will turn again to the left direction. Means now she is here clockwise in west. Again she is turning 90 degree. Means again she will come in south direction. Then read it properly. Then she turns 45 to the clockwise direction. Again she is turning to the, now she is coming here right. Again she is turning, so she will come to southwest. Again she is coming here. Then followed by 135 degree anti-clockwise. Now 135 degree anti-clockwise. Here she is at 45 degree. Okay, she is at 45 degree. Now anti-clockwise means turning towards the left. So here 45 degree anti-clockwise means what? 90 degree plus 30 degree, 145 degree, and plus 115 degree. So now here it is. This means what? 45 and 45. So here she will turn 45 degrees. She will come towards the south. Again she will turn 45 degrees. She will come to the southeast. Okay, southeast. Again she will turn. Now see, 45 and 45 finished. Okay. Again she will turn 45 degrees. She will come towards the east. Means 90 plus 45 is how much? 135. So where she is coming in the east direction. So what is the answer? East direction. Very easy sum. Just read it properly so you can do it. Now see, what is the question? X from his house ran 200 steps towards east. Now see here. For example, his house is here. 200 steps towards the east. Okay, 200 steps he walked. Then ran 30 steps after turning right. He is turning right. 30 steps to reach a monastery. Here it is monastery. He then ran 30 steps towards his right and reached point W. So this is X. Okay, this is X, his house. Now he is facing here. He will go towards the right and walk 30 steps. He then walks 30 steps towards right. 30. And he reached point W. He then turned again towards his right and ran 30 steps. Okay, he will turn here and 30 steps. Okay, then what will happen? Then what will happen? 30 steps from there, turning towards right, he ran 130 steps. See now, here this distance is only 30, and this distance 200 I have written, that is from here it is 170. Okay, means total is 200. Okay, but now he is on 170 degree, 170 steps. Okay, 170 steps. Now they are saying that he turned from there, turning towards his right, he ran 130 kilometer. 30 kilometer first he'll come here, then again 100 steps he'll ran. Okay, then he then turned towards his left, means this is left, and 10 steps. Bakery, here it is bakery. What is here? Bakery. So in which direction is the bakery with respect to point S? With respect to, so it is in northeast direction. We know na, if I am here and here is something, then it is northeast direction. So easy. Northeast direction. These are very easy sums, just you need to understand them very carefully. Okay, now this is the last sum. You have to focus and do it. You should get a right answer. Okay, do it before miss. Let me see who is doing. Okay, now see, Akbar is standing facing east. Okay, Akbar is standing. Akbar, where he is facing eastward. He is facing this side. Okay, I'll write only east. East, walking 15 meter. He turned left and walked 25 meter. Then he turned right and walked 10 meter. Again he turned right and walked 25 meter. Again he come on the same position, this, walked 25 meter. How far is he from his original position? This is 15 meter. This is 10 meter. This is 25 meter. What is the answer? C option. So easy. Okay, I hope you might have understood, and whatever homework I have given, please do it and tell me in comment box whether you can solve it or not. And I'll in the next lecture I'll teach you all these shadow sums. Okay, I'll tell you the concept. Okay, now make sure to download our app, and there you'll get everything, like all the lectures, live lectures and everything, and you will get the app on Play Store. You can download it. Say you want to see logo of our app. See, this is the logo of app. If you just write uniform aspirants, you'll get this app and you'll get everything. Okay, thank you.